Alright, we got a 2004 GMC Sierra. Cold start, it would start and die, and the only way you could keep it going was to hold your foot on the gas until it warmed up a bit, and then it would act like a normal truck. No engine codes, no nothing. I've been here and dealt with this one before, so I figured I'd do a little review on it. I pulled the plugs out, and you'll notice that this one, and this one are a little bit whiter than all the rest. So we pulled the fuel injectors out, and when you look down in this hole, you probably can't see it on the camera, but you can literally see the dirt down there. Usually the injector, the inside, usually matches the color of the top O-ring, but when you look down in there, all you seen was rust pieces. So we put a new set of injectors in, flicked the key, no more cold start issues. And you can see we also had some busted up O-rings on these old ones. But yeah, no engine code, cold start was horrible, and yeah, this was the verdict. Save yourself a lot of headache, and don't be scared to pull that injector rail off and pull them out. You can clean them, but yeah, that's usually the culprit. When they get real bad, you'll get misfires, but that's when you're to the point you're causing real damage.